Hello everyone. In this session, let us see how to check the given strings are anagram strings or not. So anagram strings means each and every character occurrence should be same in the given two strings. So here I have taken some sample strings S1 and S2. So listen silent will be having the same characters, and S3 S4 12 plus 1 11 plus 2. So these two strings also having the same characters, means those two are anagrams. S1 and S2 are anagrams, S3 and S4 also anagram strings. So here we should not be considering the number of spaces, and we should not be considering the case sensitive characters. Whatever it can be, uppercase or lowercase, only we need to take the type of character but not the case sensitive or not. So for that we need to write the program. So in that program, whatever the logic we are going to write, that must be working for any type of input strings. So that can be having the multiple spaces, that can be having the uppercase characters as well as lowercase characters. So what I am going to write is, the first thing I will be removing the spaces. Later I will be changing the entire string to uppercase or lowercase, because I should not be taking the case sensitive. Later I will be sorting, means in the alphabetical order I will be writing the both strings, so that I will be able to easily consider that whether those are equal or not. Easily I can check. So let us write step by step. So I am going to write in the Eclipse, and I am going to create some class here. So in this package I am going to create the class. Shortcut control plus n I am using. So here I am going to give the class name as anagram strings, and then checking for the main method, click on the finish button. So here let us take two strings here. Let us take S1, and then let us give here 11 plus 2. This is the first string I have taken. String S2 I am going to take. For this, let us give 12 plus 2. If you consider these, 12 plus 1 we should do, right? So these two strings are having exactly same characters. So do not consider the case sensitive, but the characters, the exactly same it has. But we need to check whether these two strings are having the same number of characters or not. So the first thing, we need to remove the spaces. So I am going to write here, comment I am writing remove spaces. So how to remove the spaces here? We are having one inbuilt method called replace in the strings class. So for that, whatever the character we are going to give, that particular character will be removed from the string. So what I am going to take is string s3 equals to s1 dot replace function I will be using. So the space I want to remove, so I will be giving nothing here, so that space will be removed and then it will be replaced with nothing, means space will be removed. So the same thing let us do for the s4. S4 also equals to s2 dot replace. Let us remove here also, remove, and then do not give anything, nothing. So let us see whether the space has been removed or not, only for checking. So let us see S3 as well as S4. So just execute this program. Now you can check here, spaces are not there, means spaces have been removed. So now let us change these two strings either to lowercase or uppercase. Then only we can check the number of characters are same or not. So now I am going to change this to lowercase. So for that, let us take two more strings, S5, S3 and S4 we should be working. S3 dot, directly write the two lowercase, and then check this as S6, S4 dot two lowercase. Let us see whether those have been changed or not. So let us print this one, S5 and S6. So you can observe here, E also has been changed to lowercase, T also has been changed to lowercase. Now I can check whether the number of characters are same or not. So before checking that, let us sort the strings so that both strings will be equal if both are having the same characters. That sorting can be done by using the arrays class. In the arrays class, we are having one inbuilt method called sort, but sort method is not available in the strings class. So let us change the strings into arrays by using the to-char array method. So I am going to take some character array here, and then ch1 I have given for that. So s5 and s6 are target strings now. So take s5, just make a call for the to-char array. In the same way, take one more char array, give this as ch2, and then give this as s6.toChar array. So let us see whether those are now after changing that we need to sort that. So just make use of arrays.sort method and then pass the ch1. In the same way, pass the ch2. So whatever the characters we have given, those will be coming in the alphabetical order. Let us see whether those are changing to alphabetical order or not. So directly print this one, all the elements. For printing all the elements in the array, we can make use of this toString method. So ch1, and then let us give some space, and then let us print the next string also. Let us give ch2 and then execute. Now you can check in the alphabetical order. Each and every character is coming in the alphabetical order. Now we need to write the condition directly. If these two are equal, print the strings are anagram, otherwise not anagram strings. So write the condition here. So for checking whether those two are equal or not, again we are having one inbuilt method called equals in the arrays class. So directly make use of equals and then pass the ch1 as well as ch2. If those are equal, print one message called strings. These are anagram strings. Anagram strings. Else case, directly print that not anagram strings. So save and then execute. You will be getting that anagram strings. Let us change the input. Let us see else condition also working or not. I will be going to add one more character here. Some j I have added. Now number of characters will not be same for the s1 and s2. So if you execute, you will be getting that not anagram strings, means the j has been added here.